Good morning, students. Already in the previous lecture, I have explained you that the liquid pressure increases with the depth and also it exerts the pressure on its wall. Now, what is the application of this liquid pressure? You find that when you see the walls of the dam, you find that it is made thicker at the bottom. Why? Because the water pressure increases with the depth. A thicker wall can withstand a greater pressure exerted by the water at greater depth. You also see that the water supply tank is placed at a high place in the building. Why? ये water supply हमेशा terrace पे ही क्यों बनते हैं? Because at a greater height, the pressure of the water will be large enough to force the water to reach the taps of the houses. Now we see the atmospheric pressure. We live on this earth and there is a lot of air around us. So the layer of air which is surrounding our earth is called as the atmosphere. This air also has weight and it creates a pressure on the objects below. Air का भी अपना एक weight होता है और वो भी अपना एक pressure लगाता है हमारे ऊपर. This pressure exerted by the air due to its own weight is called as the atmospheric pressure. But we do not feel this enormous pressure acting on the us. हमारे ऊपर भी atmospheric pressure लगता है लेकिन हमें पता नहीं चलता. Why? Because the pressure of the blood in the blood vessels and the other fluids present in the body, it balances the atmospheric pressure. हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जो ब्लड वेसल्स होते हैं, ब्लड होते हैं, तो उनका एक प्रेशर होता है और वो इसे बैलेंस करके रखता है. इसलिए हमें पता नहीं चलता है कि एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर है या नहीं. Now to show this existence of the atmospheric pressure, we can perform one activity. You can take one tin can, a cork, a Bunsen burner, water and the matchstick. When you take a thin-walled empty can and so you find that the air pressure inside and outside is same because there is nothing in that tin can here. Now when you heat this tin can with the help of burner to boil the water, you have to fill this tin can with the water and boil the water. You will find that the steam will start producing inside the can, and after some time you find that there is no air inside the can as the whole tin can is filled with the steam. Now you have to cover this. So here there is a balance between the atmospheric pressure and the steam pressure. फिर से यहाँ टिन कैन को कुछ नहीं होगा क्योंकि अंदर की तरफ से steam pressure है और बाहर की तरफ से atmospheric pressure, and both are balancing one another. Now you have to cover this tin can with the cork and you have to keep it below the tap. You will find when you open the tap, the cold water falls on it. You will find that the tin can will be pushed inside. It will be crushed inside. Why? Because there is no steam pressure now inside. जैसे ही हम ऊपर से ठंडा पानी डालेंगे तो अंदर की steam खत्म हो जाएगी. It will again condense and it will form the water. And so the steam pressure will be less and outside atmospheric pressure will be more. And so we find that the tin can will get crushed inside here. So this shows that atmospheric pressure is present over there. Now you can take one more example here that already some children are doing this activity at home. You have to take one glass filled with the water and at the upper side you have to put one card over there, one thick piece of the card over there. Now you have to press this card so that no air should get inside this glass tumbler filled with the water. Now after some time, with the help of your hand, you have to invert this glass tumbler which is full of water as it is shown in the figure. Now what you will observe, सिर्फ ग्लास को पकड़े रहो और ग्लास को हमने उल्टा कर दिया है. What you will observe here, that the piece of the glass card does not fall through the glass tumbler which is filled with the water because the water exerts a pressure on the card in the downward direction, but the atmospheric pressure is exerting on the card in the upward direction. So the card does not fall here. जैसे ही हमने ग्लास को उल्टा किया है तो ग्लास हमें ऐसा लगेगा कि कार्ड उससे चिपक गया है. क्यों? क्योंकि एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर उसे ग्लास की तरफ पुश कर रहा है और अंदर से वाटर उसे बाहर की तरफ पुश कर रहा है. दैट मीन्स द अपवर्ड एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर एक्टिंग ऑन द कार्ड, इट इज ग्रेटर देन द डाउनवर्ड प्रेशर ऑफ द वाटर ऑन द कार्ड. दिस शोज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ enormous atmospheric pressure around us. Now we see that the atmospheric pressure is maximum on the surface of the earth, but when we go at the higher altitude, we find that the atmospheric pressure decreases. हमें ऑलरेडी पता है कि जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर की तरफ जाते हैं एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर कम होता जाता है. एंड सो समटाइम्स वी हियर दैट द माउंटेनियर्स सफर्स फ्रॉम द नोज ब्लीडिंग. व्हाई डू दे सफर फ्रॉम द नोज ब्लीडिंग? Already I have said you that on the surface of the earth, our blood pressure and the atmospheric pressure get balanced. But as we go at a higher altitude, our blood pressure remains the same, but the atmospheric pressure gets lower. एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर धीरे धीरे कम होता जा रहा है, लेकिन हमारा ब्लड प्रेशर तो उतना ही है. सो ड्यू टू दिस द ब्लड कैपिलरीज, it exerts the pressure outside and sometimes it gets burst and blood comes out through the nose of the mountaineers. We also see that the astronauts, they wear a special space suit when they go into the space. Why? Because there is no atmosphere outside the earth, and to maintain the normal atmospheric pressure for his body, they have to wear the space suit. So that they can maintain their at body temperature, body pressure over there. So this is what about the applications of the liquid pressure and what is atmospheric pressure. But what is the application of this atmospheric pressure? What is the use of this atmospheric pressure in a daily life? We see that when you drink, that best example is the drinking straw. We see that you normally use a drinking straw to drink the fruit juices. When you suck air at the upper end of the straw with your mouth, the pressure of the air inside the straw is reduced, but the pressure acting on the surface of the fruit juice is equal to the atmospheric pressure. जैसे ही हम उसे सक करते हैं तो स्ट्रॉ के अंदर का एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर कम हो जाता है, लेकिन बाहर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर ज्यादा है. सो इट विल फोर्स दिस एटमॉस्फेरिc pressure acting on the surface, it will push the fruit juice up into the straw to your mouth. Another example is the syringes. Have you seen the syringes in a liquid and pull its piston? जो doctors जो syringe use करते हैं, have you seen that what they are doing? When we dip a syringe in a liquid and pull its piston, the pressure inside the syringe get reduced. अंदर की तरफ उसका pressure कम हो जाता है, and the atmospheric pressure outside the liquid, it is more, and so it pushes the liquid up into the syringe. Another example is the suction pad, rubber suction pad. Have you seen this when you put it into your car window also? So what is the use? How do it stuck on the wall? So this is because when we use the good quality rubber suction pad and you press against a plain surface, so the air between the suction pad and the wall is forced out. जो air suction pad और wall के बीच में की air होती है वो बाहर निकल जाती है, and so there is no pressure inside. तो बाहर का एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर ज्यादा होता है and it pushes the suction pad firmly which adheres to the surface of the wall. This atmospheric pressure, it is also measured by an instrument that we call it as a barometer.